Book reading is the only memory we can choose to live again and again. Hello everyone and welcome back to Literature World for one more very interesting and important video on unboxing the books. As they say, the book worth reading is worth rereading. I read Wuthering Heights way back, around 7 years back, and I loved the experience. And I aspired to relive the experience with the new, better copy of the book. Over the years of reading books, I not only became a better reader, I also developed consciousness for better paper, texture, and cover of the book. Their binding, font size, accuracy, publisher became the matter of my concern before buying a book. I had the old copy of the book, but the paper quality and other things that I just mentioned aren't as per my taste. Thus, I bought new one, and it shows the importance of the book that is read worldwide again and again, and it's bought again and again. So, without further ado, let's see the book inside. This is the old copy of it, and now we are going to open the new one. Now here is the new copy of Wuthering Heights. It's a Penguin classic published by Penguin Classic. They make beautiful books. You can see on the back paper. This is one of the quotes of this book. May you not rest as long as I am living. You said I killed you, haunt me then. Emile Bronte's novel of impossible desires, violence, and transgression is a masterpiece of intense, unsettling power. There's introduction also given, so I highly recommend this book. If you want to read the same book with us together, because reading together means eating together, it's very great fun. So if you would like to read with us, so down in the description are details given. You can check them and contact us in order to join our club. Thank you so much. May God be with you all.